All right, it's raining out here today, but check out this 2015 Honda Civic LX with only 63,000 miles on it. This car was just here for service. They were getting some basic maintenance done. They decided they needed a bigger vehicle. They left here with a new Honda yesterday. That's our opportunity to have a really nice quality pre-owned vehicle and your opportunity to get a great car. So this one's in Dino Blue. That's the color. That's a very popular color for the year. Everybody likes this blue color. Safe, secure, fun, reliable, great fuel economy, great reliability. This thing is, packed with lots of features, lots of safety. With only 63,000 miles on it, it's got lots of life left. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Back seat looks really clean. Show you the front. It's going to be detailed inside and out. Let me step inside here. There's the miles right there on the dash, 63. Comes with a 90-day warranty, 3 months, 3,000 miles. They cover everything pretty much like the bumper to bumper. Comes with 2 years worth of maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations. Both sets of keys, books, manuals, Carfax. Come check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth. This one will not last long. Thank you.